Alright, y'all want to see something cool? I never knew about this. My camera's rolling, the flash is on, and apparently all these little flashes are spiders, bugs, something like that. Never knew. Let's see if I can get close to one. Back up a little bit. Spider right there.
Yep.
Man, that's cool.
Think about that next time you walk around in the grass barefooted.
So all of these are supposed to be spiders?
I would imagine they're all either spiders or some kind of bugs.
Some sort of bug.
But every single one I've seen so far is a spider. The ones I zoomed in on.
No way. That's... my God. That's kind of cool.
The good thing is, there's just like little hunting spiders. I think they don't spin web or nothing.
Walk out into the field. God, that's crazy. Well, if you're extremely bored, this is something you can do with the kids. All right. All right.